The secret to good health. In a quiet village, there lived an old man named Hari, known for his vibrant energy and glowing health, even at the age of 90. The younger villagers often wondered about his secret and finally decided to ask him. One evening, as the sun dipped below the hills, Hari shared his wisdom. "Good health," he said, "is a treasure you build daily. I rise with the sun, eat fresh food grown with love, move my body with purpose, and keep my mind free from worry." The villagers listened intently as he continued. But the greatest secret is balance. Nurturing your body, mind, and spirit equally. Show gratitude for your health, care for it, and it will reward you with a life full of joy. Inspired, the villagers began to adopt Hari's simple practices. Over time, they too experienced the vitality and happiness that came from prioritizing their health. Hari's wisdom became the foundation of a thriving and healthy community.